Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Pisces. Let's see what's happening in their love life. I have already done Pisces love reading for July 2020. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that video in first comment or in description. You can check that out. Let's see, this is going to be a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone. So just keep that in mind, okay? Let's see what's happening for Pisces in their love life. This is going to be a quick update of how they are feeling, what they are going through, what their person is feeling, what's going to happen in future, what's going to happen for Pisces in your future. What's happening for Pisces? What's happening for Pisces? July 2020, what's happening for Pisces? First card we have got is Two of Swords, indecision, Knight of Wands, Three of Pentacles. These are your feelings. Let's see what your person is feeling. Queen of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. Okay, these are your feelings, these are your person's feelings. As far as I'm seeing this, you might be on crossroads, you don't know where to go. This person has kept you like stuck. They haven't given you any clarity. You don't know what to do now, Pisces. You might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or earth sign with this Four of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a water sign, another water sign, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, or with Queen of Cups and Eight of Cups. So as far as I'm seeing this, the person you are dealing with isn't giving you clarity, so you are on crossroads, you are being indecisive, you are not being able to decide. I'm also seeing your person isn't taking any action. They are just keeping their feelings to themselves, not showing quite how they feel, and this is keeping you stuck. You are not getting clarity on how to go forward with your life. You are stuck on this person, not being able to move forward. I'm also seeing I think you took action. You were wanting to take steps and you got back to this person. Maybe you texted them, maybe you called them, but this person did not respond back. I'm not seeing them happy without you with this Queen of Cups and Eight of Cups. I'm definitely seeing them not being happy, be reminiscing the old days, feeling left out. They feel as if you have left them. They feel as if you have moved on in your life, I think, but you tried to contact this person, but they didn't quite entertain your initiation. Okay, I think you have taken initiation in the past and you messaged them, you called them, but they did not respond back. I'm also seeing you talking to your friends, talking to someone who knows your relationship with this person, about this person, asking on what to do, how to how to take things further. Maybe you are wanting to build something with this person, but this person is not in the mindset. They are not happy without you. They are quite unhappy, but still they are not taking any action, and this is quite stressing you out. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you stressing out because this person, they are also not taking any action. And if you're taking action, if you're trying to talk to them, if you're trying to sort out things, they are not quite responding you. Okay, I'm seeing this person looking at you from afar. Maybe they are spying on you, maybe they are trying to see what you are up to. This person You are their secure place, you are their happiness, you are their comfort. They want you all by themselves, but the actions they are taking are self sabotaging. They are sabotaging this relationship. They are not taking any action, and if you're taking any action, they are not responding quite positively. So this is keeping you in a dilemma what this person exactly wants. Okay, I'm also seeing you want to work on this relationship with this person. You want to give it a chance. You want to have an equal give and take in this relationship, but this person is not responding, so you don't have any idea on how to take things further. I am also seeing you are quite tired of them not coming back. You're quite tired of waiting for this person, and you're going on your own path now, trying to move on, trying to work on your finances, trying to work on your career. But this person, the more you are trying to go towards this person, the more this person is running away from you. Okay, I'm definitely seeing this person, they are working against what they feel like. They love you, but they are not showing it to you. Okay, let me write down the title for this video, because I have to replay the whole video again. I'm definitely seeing this person loves you a lot. They have a lot of feelings for you, but they are trying to run away from these feelings, Pisces. Okay. I'm definitely seeing this person has to take stand before it's too late, because they don't either want to lose you. So either they have to take a stand, or they will lose you at some point, because you're on the verge of going away. You're on the verge of leaving this relationship. I'm definitely seeing you both love each other. I think you took your chance and you tried talking to this person, but they did not respond well, and this shook you off. You are like, enough is enough. If this person doesn't want me back, neither do I care. And you are like going in your own path. You are going working on your career, working on your finances, working on your life. With this Knight of Wands, you are quite motivated now, because you have done your part. You have tried talking to this person, you have tried sorting things out, but this person just doesn't want to. Okay, let's pull out some more cards for you and your person. What is this confusion about? Okay, so as far as I'm seeing this, to clarify, Two of Swords, we have got Six of Cups. I think you still hope that this person comes back and you both get back together. You are still being hopeful about this relationship with the Six of Cups. You still want to spend time with them. You still want to talk to them. You still hope that someday this person is going to come back. With this Star card also, I am seeing you hoping for the best. You are manifesting this person. You are thinking like, even being ignored, this person is ignoring you, even being ignored by this person, you still have high hopes from this person and from this relationship. With the Star card clarifying the Knight of Wands, I'm definitely seeing you are not willing to keep your life on hold and stuck for this person. I am seeing you moving along on your own path, on your own journey, finding yourself, but still back of your mind you are waiting for this person and hoping things will turn around and this person will come back. With this Eight of Wands clarifying Three of Pentacles, I am seeing you are expecting communication from this person. I think with the help of your friends, mutual friends, maybe you try talking to this person, or this person will come back with they will try to communicate to you through some of their friend, maybe, okay, someone you know, some of their friends you know, okay. I'm also seeing with this Princess of Wands clarifying the Queen of Cups. They know you both belong to each other, you both love each other, they want to have this, but they are self-sabotaging with this Nine of Swords clarifying Four of Pentacles. I'm definitely seeing this person sabotaging this relationship. They are ruining this relationship, like they are doing they're hurting themselves in the process. They're just working against themselves, okay. With this Three of Wands clarifying Eight of Cups, I'm also seeing it may be possible for many of you Pisces, your person is dealing with someone else, and they can't decide which way to go, whom to choose. That's why they are running away from this relationship, okay. Let's see what advice do we have for you Pisces. You're dealing with a very difficult person, Pisces. They are like all over the place with their feelings. They love you, but they are not coming back. With this Hanuman card, I'm definitely seeing universe is advising you to have your own life purpose, to work on your life purpose, to not keep waiting for this person. They will come back. They will return, but till that you have to be very strong. You have to be very mentally mentally and emotional, mentally and physically, you have to be okay when this person comes back around. You don't have to be harsh on yourself. Just keep working on your life. Just be happy with wherever you are. Keep your love and your dedication towards this person as it is. Just keep that with you in your heart, and this person is going to come back. Don't worry, okay. Just be strong is what they are trying to say, okay. I'm also seeing with this Ojas card, it is being told to you that see at the brighter things of this relationship. Cherish the moments, the good things, the good times you have spent with this person. Look at the brighter side. Be positive. Don't put yourself into a place of self-pity, or don't be harsh on yourself, okay. Just look at the brighter things. Just feel good, just think good, just focus on your thoughts. Try to make them positive ones, and everything will fall into place one day, okay. I'm also seeing you are being quite harsh on yourself, not sleeping well, not taking care of yourself, not loving yourself. Maybe it may be possible that you're not being fair to the people around you that really love you. They are with you, like your father, your sister, your brother. They are with you right now, and you're being very harsh to them. So don't be harsh to someone who is with you right now in this moment, in this situation where you need someone. So just be gentle, be kind. Do not be don't show your negative side to people who truly care and love you, okay, in the process of getting this person back. So this was it for Pisces. I hope you got some insight, and if you like such quick readings, you can always subscribe my channel. You can also check the previous video. I have done one more video for Pisces for July. If you like such videos, please do subscribe my channel. See you in next video.